Hey everyone, today I'm showing you the absolute quickest path to using Binance. First, let's get you signed up. Before we begin, look at the link in the description box. If you jump into the sign up screen through that link, you'll lock in a 50% fee payback and $600 in rewards simultaneously. It's a huge advantage, so definitely use it. All right, once you've clicked that link, it will take you directly to the Binance registration page. Now you can choose to proceed with your email address or your mobile phone number, whichever is more convenient for you. Go ahead and enter the email you want to use right now, and then make sure to tick the box for the terms and conditions agreement at the bottom. Once that's done, just click the big continue button. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to you immediately. Find that code and type it into the boxes on your screen. Next, you need to create a strong password. It must be at least 8 characters long, including one number and one uppercase letter. If the inviter code screen appears, verify the code is present to secure your bonuses and then complete the sign up. Next, we move to KYC identity verification. Since this involves a facial scan, we'll switch to your mobile phone to speed things up. Go ahead and install the Binance app on your phone and launch it. If you log in with the account you just created, the app will immediately guide you to the verification screen. Confirm your home country and then choose an ID card to proceed, whether that is a national ID, a driver's license, or a passport. Select Take Pictures and hit Continue. Take a clear shot of the front and back of your ID, fitting it into the frame. After that, complete the facial scan as prompted. Then quickly confirm your personal details like your name, birth date, address. Hit that Continue button. And occupation. Hit that Continue button. The review takes about 5 minutes. You can verify that your KYC is complete by checking for the verified status on your profile. Finally, let's set up your two-factor authentication. For this part, let's return to your PC screen. Click on Security under the Account tab in the left-hand menu. Look for the Authenticator app option and click Manage right next to it. Click Enable Authenticator app and enter the code sent to your email or phone. When the QR code appears, grab your phone and download the Google Authenticator app. Launch the app, tap Get Started, and I recommend selecting Use without signing in. Tap Add a code, then scan a QR code. Now, simply point your phone's camera at the QR code on your PC screen. A 6-digit OTP code for Binance will instantly be generated on your phone. Go back to your computer, click Next, enter that 6-digit numeric code from the app, and click Submit. You can now see that your Google OTP is officially activated and your account is fully secured. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. Happy trading!